So for those of you who've been using the game plans, you should have been buying call options at the exact lows for gains as big as 1,000% plus multiple times on the day at our 662 level. You guys are well aware yesterday, if you watched the live stream, I ended up executing my game plan at 662 calls, and I ended up using the confirmations at the levels such as green, red, green, green, double red, green, and also bullish engulfing as there was support for several hours at 662. And I ended up buying 3 strikes, SPY, and SPX calls at the exact lows. And those calls ended up going up 1,500% plus on each contract. In terms of today, G-Roar decided to buy SPY and SPX calls at 1 p.m. at the exact lows, and both of the trades went up over a 1,000% return within the span of less than 1 hour trading. I tried to tell him, man, I give him the best game plans, I give him the best curriculum, and I also told him to scream, October is going to be his massive month. I tried to tell him, I told him, this is what, you want to see what the scream does on fucking October? Look, I'll show you. These were the first trades of the day. 1:04 p.m., 6710 SPX calls for 100 cents. 1:04 p.m., 668 calls, 25 cents a contract. You know, if you can't afford to buy SPX at 100, come buy SPY at 25, or buy both and have 2 massive wins. Because instead of 1,000% return, why not have 2? That's what we do, man. It's like, if you look at the fucking results, there's not a single fucking group out there on the fucking planet where you can access the stream during October and buy SPX and SPY calls at the exact lows, at the best time to buy, and the trade goes up over 1,000% within less than 1 hour. Losing is a personal choice. With that being said, I'm going to continue to prepare you to trade the best setups at the best prices. In terms of my own personal trade, I ended up making 1 trade. I bought SPY calls at the exact lows during the time that I trade best at during Power Hour. Going to be going over that and explaining to you the trades and the strategies that we ended up making. This is now back-to-back days with our trades where you could have made multiple 1,000% profit returns. With that being said, we're going to get straight into the game plan. This has been the absolute best trading week of 2025, especially if you're using the game plans and you're using the curriculum. I would strongly recommend that you go back and you watch those last 2 live streams, because I can assure you the education and the value that you're going to get from that is going to be worth a lot of fucking money. So with that being said, let's get straight into the analysis. In terms of the SPY, this is what I want to bring awareness to. We've been focused on capturing this pattern that has been repeating itself to an exact T using the confirmations at our levels, which is how we were able to successfully trade SPY and SPX calls at the exact lows for multiple 1,000% returns back to back. With that being said, let's get into the continuation of the pattern. So you guys are well aware in terms of last night's game plan, the plan was to buy calls if 662 reacts to support. The market is supposed to get new all-time fucking highs. With that being said, as you can see, if you take a look at the confirmations during extended hours trading session, what occurred? Green, double red, green, bullish. Retest, previous resistance, breakout, retest. You have some more green, red, bullish, breakout, retest. Oh shit. Here we go again. Green, red, green. Green, red, green. Bullish fucking uptrend. Previous resistance, breakout, retest. Green, red, green. Bullish uptrend. Green, red, green. Bullish uptrend. Man, let's take a look at yesterday, you know? Because the market seems to work in mysterious ways. It's almost as if you use the game plans, you use the curriculum, and not another person on this fucking planet is giving you this information a day before the market opens and is giving you the opportunity to sit at our table to make the biggest percentage gains in the cheapest, lowest risk way possible by buying far the money zero-day options and adding to the winners to double the gains. And putting in your max risk per trades, so the most you lose on the trades is your max risk per trades. And you can hold the losers, and 7 out of 10 times they come back to life and they go deep in the fucking money because we trade the trend and we're right about the trend the vast majority of the time. With that being fucking said, in terms of the game plan, man, let's get straight into this, man. We're going to get straight into the game plan. Like if you go back and you look at yesterday's chart as well, man, 662 was the buy zone. SPY had resistance here. We had the gap and go. We had the retest. And then if you look at all the confirmations, we had the green, red, green, right? And then we had the green, double red, green. And then we had the bullish engulfing, bullish uptrend. Calls were decayed and worthless at the lows with a bullish floor for several hours and 3 bullish confirmations on the 30-minute chart for a strong bullish close. Yesterday, multiple trades on calls, bought at the exact lows, went up multiple %1,000s. It's like, dude, losing is a personal fucking choice every single day, man. So in terms of that new game plan, this is going to be the new game plan. Listen the fuck up. There's been a pattern that's been repeating in a very similar cycle. So first things first, I'm going to break down the daily chart. We're going to dissect the 10-day, 30-minute chart. I'm going to give you the best levels, going to quickly go over the trades, and then you're going to join Team Roar. Because when you join Team Roar, it's unlimited fucking winning and it's unlimited fucking printing. You're going to get access to the best trades within the market, the best analysis, surrounded by multimillionaires and the best option traders that you're ever going to fucking find on this fucking planet. So, this is the game plan to print and make fuck you money. Listen the fuck up. We have a big green bullish candlestick. So these are the trends, man. Look at this. I want you to use this as mirrors. This is going to be one of the mirrors, man. Take a look. We're using the daily chart because the pattern's in play and it's going to give us the foundation on what to do heading into tomorrow. So, look at the fucking mirror. This is the mirror right here. You see how the uptrend is similar? You see how the daily candlesticks are similar? You see how the uptrend is similar? You see how the daily candlesticks are similar? So, when we have this big-ass green daily candlestick, prior to all this similar price action, when we have this big-ass green daily candlestick, prior to all the similar price action, what happens? Next day, if the SPY is topping out towards the previous day highs, towards previous all-time highs, it has a strong bearish trend day and then a small bounce, likely into the close at a key level. In terms of the key level, it was slightly below the previous day lows. So, based off this overall short-term trend, in this short-term pattern, you're looking at an exact mirror. All we need is confirmations at this level that this mirror is going to repeat itself, you know, trading based off of history and using confirmations on the 30-minute chart that confirm that that history, that reflection in that mirror is going to repeat itself, right? So your key levels, previous day highs, if we're maintaining below, reacting bearish fucking trend day, gonna sell off, finally gonna have that big drop that the bears have been waiting for. You know, all the bears, they've been waiting to make the biggest percentage gains in the market, and they've been getting skinned alive doing it. You know, they've had some nice hits, but the gains have been fairly small, even if they were successful enough to be bearish in this market, in comparison to the bullish opportunities that we've been putting you in at the cheapest, lowest risk, and the biggest fucking percentage gains in this fucking market that not a single fucking person on this fucking planet is putting you in, man. So with that being said, previous day highs is a key level of interest. If the previous day highs and if the previous closing price is reacting bearish, we're looking to get in on puts. So we're going to go over the game plan. I'm going to show you the 10-day, 30-minute chart in the mirror as well. So this is the mirror for the 10-day, 30-minute chart. And you need to go back and fucking study those past 2 live streams if you want to be self-sufficient and see how we're able to do this in real fucking time. And I'm telling you, those last 2 live streams are worth a fucking fortune. If you actually use the game plans and the confirmations in the curriculum, you would have been making a fuck ton of money before you even joined the group. Now, do I think you would have been like us? Do I think you would have been like the Scream today? Buying these fucking SPX calls at the exact lows and they go up 1,000%? Absolutely fucking not. I don't expect people to have a decade of experience with our curriculum and walk through the fire that we fucking walk through, you know? But I do expect them to be green as fuck and to be fucking educated and to get fucking results and to realize that we have the best, simplest curriculum and we have the best system to make other people fucking money. We print nonstop. It's unlimited fucking winning and unlimited fucking printing. So this is the pattern in the 10-day, 30-minute chart. I already disclosed to you some levels on the daily chart pattern and the most likely outcome. And the most likely outcome is what we would prefer to happen is now we would actually prefer for the market to crash. Doesn't mean it's going to crash, but if it stays below previous day lows and it reacts as previous closing prices resistance and it starts to sell off, we will be looking to get in on puts and finally take advantage of this opportunity on puts, you know. And for those of you who follow this fucking channel, you are well aware we have not been recommending puts until the SPY hits 670, and we've been buying all these oversold dips and making multiple 1,000% returns with or without you. Losing is a personal choice every single fucking day. I try to tell them, man. I try to tell them September was my month, and now you're gonna see October is gonna be my month. But I'm telling you, the Scream, dude. If someone's rocking the fucking Scream, it's like If they're really about it, if they're really that fucking guy, I would say they shine brightest in October. And in terms of the first trades that the Scream made during October, first day of the month, it's like, dude, these were the best trades you could have made in the market. These were the cheapest, lowest risk trades where you make 1,000%. You buy one contract at 100, you sell for 1 fucking K. It's like, man, this is living fucking proof, man. People's gonna be embarrassed. They're gonna feel the weight. They're gonna feel the weight of our fucking silence. Of them, they're gonna be carrying a weight of our silence by not being in the group and seeing what the fuck we do on the outside every single fucking day. They're gonna carry that. You know, if they use the game plans and they use the curriculum, they're going to be making money. They're going to be leveling up. They're going to be self-sufficient. But when they see what we do in our fucking group, dude, they're going to have to carry that weight. They're going to be like, damn, there's no fucking comparison. Nobody can get on this fucking level. It's like, dude, we're the fucking one. I try to tell them, man, but some people want to carry that weight. I'm like, dude, you want to carry that weight? Go ahead. Carry that fucking weight of silence. We'll be in the group printing every single fucking day. Printing at the speed of fucking light. Non-fucking stop, entering the best trades. While some people are on the outside trying to be self-sufficient, trying to do all their own. It's like, dude, if you're on the outside, use this curriculum, make money, level up, become self-sufficient, and get the fuck in the group so you can get the best results using the best system in the fucking game. Look, man, this is the 30-minute chart pattern. We have a slanted downtrend. We have a slanted downtrend. Starts to go up. When it pushes above those previous all-time highs, sells off hard, right? You see the hard sell-off right now. These were the previous all-time highs at 667. We just pushed above it. There hasn't been the sell-off yet, right? So the point being is the market is setting up for a massive move. We're talking about a potential 6 to 8 point plus move. Look at this. When the SPY went above the mountain, so again, the new mountain is right here at 667. When the SPY went above the previous mountain, this was the previous mountain right here. I'm going to show you this. The previous mountain was right here towards 650. It went 2 points above, and now look at the drop. 652 all the way down to 64350. Then it had that small bounce into the close. Then it started to recover, shooting right back up. So the point is, what I would prefer to happen is the market sells off towards previous day highs, and then it starts to bounce back into the close for an opportunity to maybe even swing trade calls or to just go long into the close or long the next day. That's what I would prefer to happen. Now, obviously, I'm going to use confirmations to confirm that bias because it might not happen. If there's a break of trend, and in terms of, well, what would be the break of trend? The break of trend is the SPY holds above the previous closing price. The SPY breaks above 670 and forms support. If that's the case, the fucking bears are going to get fucking squeezed into fucking oblivion. Do you know how many times the bears were caught off guard, especially during oversold dips? So suppose this is a time where they're finally caught off guard towards all-time highs, and we no longer have this, small 2 point break above all-time highs, and then it has a big drop. Suppose it just keeps on pushing higher. This is why you have to be well equipped and aware of every bias in the market, the best levels to determine this, and how to confirm if it's going to be bullish or bearish at the specific levels, and how to confirm which bias is going to play out. So I'm going to make it as simple as possible, man. And you join our group, I am fucking telling you, this is going to be our strongest closing week in history. Literally on the live stream, I literally said, this is a rare week. We're split between 2 months. I told him, we're going to finish September, closing very, very strong in the green. And what did I do? I bought 3 call strikes at the exact lows, and each of the call strikes went up over 1,000%. And then I also told him we're going to start off October, literally split in between a week, 2 fucking months. That's very, very rare, man. 1 week, 2 fucking months. 1 month is closing, 1 month is starting. It's fucking interesting, man. The month that was closing was all the people who joined on September 1st and got shit fucking rich and made multiple 100% returns on their account. Now, the new month that's starting is all the fucking people who missed the fuck out who are getting ready to take that fucking leap and start that new beginning to fucking print. You know? So in terms of this new fucking month of October, it's also very personal because I told you. We have the Scream in the chat, like I explained to you, goes by the name of G-Roar, anonymous multimillionaire. And since he has the Scream avatar, it's confirmation, because we are who we say we are, that October is going to be the absolute greatest month that the Scream is ever going to have. The trading's going to be at all-time highs just as it is. And everything's in alignment, On September 1st, we had to ban 1 member. And then right before the month closed, last day of September, we had to ban another member. And the group just keeps on pushing for new all-time fucking highs. And the trading results just keep on pushing for new all-time fucking highs. It's like, dude, you ain't gonna find another fucking group on the fucking planet that leaves you with dots at the market open to do nothing, to go out, enjoy your life, enjoy your family, enjoy your 9 to fucking 5, and then you print at 1 p.m. with your notifications and you make 1,000% gains on the cheapest, lowest risk trades at the exact lows. It doesn't fucking exist. Do you understand? How the fucking wing, the fucking scream. We're gonna print non-fucking stop. I'm telling you, by the end of this fucking month, some people's going to be ashamed that they didn't join the group. Some people, they're going to feel the weight of our silence so fucking bad. Dude, some people, they're not going to be in the group. They're going to be getting results with the game plan. And they're going to be like, why the fuck haven't I joined that group yet? I'm making all this fucking money using their levels, using the game plan. Why the fuck am I not in there? Like, I'm telling you, man, some people just have egos, or some people, they're going to feel it, man. They're going to feel it, especially if they watch the fucking content and they try to execute what we put out. They try our levels. They try our curriculum. We're literally executing our levels and curriculum. They're going to feel it. They are going to feel the weight of not being in here. They are going to feel the weight of the silence from the outside. Inside, we're all printing. We're all fucking having fun. On the outside, they're going to feel that silence. They're going to feel that fucking weight. Doing it on their own, trying to be self-sufficient. They're going to fucking feel it, man. I'm telling you. Y'all need to get the fuck in the group before you get left behind, man. So, this is the game plan. What we need to see for this pattern and trend to repeat itself is this. Previous all-time highs were at 667. So we're going to call the number 670. A nice keyhole round number where SPY can attempt to drop. So this is the point. Phase 1 to a bearish trend day. Bears taking control. Bears finally having their nice drop. Bears finally making some reasonable profits compared to the profits, that the bulls have made. It's like, dude, bears have made some short-term small little profits, but they had to time that shit perfectly. They had to go against the trend. And, it's a lot smaller compared to what the bulls have made. Fucking degenerates in a sense. Not saying you could be profitable that way. You can be profitable, but it's like, we're always putting our members in the most competent trades to get fucking rich and to make the biggest percentage gains, dude. The easiest trades to make money. Trade's so easy. You look like a fucking asshole if you lose fucking money and you quit and you give up on trading because you're sitting there saying, dude, these guys are making 1,000% gains every single day, win at the speed of light with the highest win rates. How the fuck am I not green? And then trading's not for everyone. They just fucking quit. Our fucking group, no one's leaving. This fucking company is not only at all-time highs, but literally everyone stays. The group has been the best it's ever fucking been. That's why it's like, dude, I want this shit to grow bigger and fucking bigger. I'm sitting here saying, this is a fucking gold mine. Nobody's fucking leaving. The group just keeps on fucking growing. This is the best time to fucking join the fucking group. So, anyways, 670. If SPY stays below 670, that is phase 1 to being bearish. Is phase 1 to being bearish good enough to buy puts? No, that is the phase 1 to consider puts, but you need to wait for confirmations. What is the confirmation? So, if SPY is staying below 670, the bears have a shot of finally making some good gains. That's the first fucking phase. Now, this is phase 2. Listen the fuck up. Phase 2 is previous closing price right fucking here. So, we go to previous closing price, 668.45. We're going to draw a line right fucking here. And we're also going to go to the support. So this is going to be our channel. This is going to be the channel. And this is what I want you to understand. This is fucking key. You need to listen the fuck up. So this is phase 1. Phase 1 is, if SPY stays below 670, it's trying to flip bearish. But it hasn't flipped bearish yet. This is what would need to happen to strongly consider puts for an amazing crash. Very, very simple. The SPY needs to stay below 670 and it needs to quickly stay below that. It cannot keep sitting at higher support like it's doing right here at 669. It needs to quickly go under the previous closing price and it needs to react bearish in this zone. So in terms of the SPY reacting bearish in this zone, red, green, red, red, double, green, red, lower highs, forming lower highs, red bearish candlesticks in between that zone. That's phase 2. If that is occurring, then I would encourage puts, but only if we really start to go below 667. So what I would tell the bears is, if we start to go below 667, spike back up, retest, form lower highs, form a lower channel, form the red bearish 30-minute candlestick confirmations, I would then give them, the keys to buy the puts. That's when I would say you're no longer degenerate if you're buying puts and you can make some substantial gains doing that, right? Now, what you need to be aware of is this. There's a strong battle level. Even if the market maintains under 670, and even if it has a strong bearish trend day, this is a level where it will try to bounce first. This is a strong break and retest level that has not been tested during normal trading hours, and it already had a strong bounce during extended hours. As you can see right here, 667. This was our previous all-time highs. This could even be considered a level to buy call options tomorrow, especially if the SPY goes above 670. So if the SPY's pushing above 670, pushing fucking higher, fucking those bears up during market open, during extended hours pre-market, I'm looking for calls at 667 if the bullish confirmations are there. In between 667, oversold break and retest already played out during extended hours, to 66845, previous closing price gap close reversal. The same strategy that we used to buy calls at the exact lows for multiple 1,000%. It's like, dude, if you're not using the gap close reversal trading strategy, I would suggest that you don't trade, because the gap close reversal trading strategy was the catalyst that not only led to starting Trader Society, but is also the catalyst that literally fucking led to starting Team fucking Roar, the best real-time zero-day options trading alert system on the fucking planet. Without the gap close reversal trading strategy, Team Roar wouldn't have fucking existed, man. And I'm the one who fucking created that strategy. I'm the one who taught that strategy and put that on to thousands of fucking traders, man. That was the strategy that put me on the map on this fucking niche, because most people didn't see that. Most people didn't see on certain gaps. I'm not just saying that's going to reverse at a gap. There's a way to tell and there's a way to confirm if SPY is going to reverse at a gap. Same with stocks. And I put that strategy on the map. And not only did I put it on the map, but I showed people how to confirm if SPY was going to have a reversal at the gap. And I also showed people how to dissect and how to get very, very surgical if you should consider a gap close reversal at a certain gap, because not every gap is considered a good gap close reversal, right? I also showed people how to confirm if it's not going to have a gap close reversal. But as you can see right here, SPY had a gap up at 662. This was the level on the previous two live streams where I said, just buy the calls, make 1,000%. It's like, dude, it's fine. Not everyone wants to walk into the light. Not everyone wants heaven on earth. Not everyone wants to get rich quick. It's completely fine. You know, you want to stay on the outside. You want to stay broke. You want to do things the hard way. You know, you want to waste 10 fucking years figuring all this shit on your own. Go ahead. It's completely fine. We've been here for a while. We figured this out. We have a smart, competent group. We print every single fucking day, dude. You want to carry the weighted out silence? Go ahead. We give people the opportunity to join right now to sit at our table. And just because someone sits at our table doesn't mean that they get to stay there. Because there's prices to pay. You know, there's a price to pay to join. You can get in here for free if you use the game plan, be self-sufficient, use the levels in the confirmations. You should be able to make more than enough profit to join for fucking free. Reinvest the profit, join the group, make more profit. Common fucking sense. You're profitable. Tax fucking write-offs. Now, when you're actually in the group, you know, in order to stay at our table, it's very simple. You need to be able to afford to stay, you know, which means you need to make good decisions. You need to follow the trades. You need to be smart. You need to ask questions. You need to learn from your mistakes. You need to make sure that you don't make the same mistakes again. And you need to fucking listen. And also, just because you're paying to sit at our table doesn't mean you have the right to stay at our table. It's a fucking privilege. You know, think about it like this. If I'm the owner of a restaurant and someone goes, you know, into my restaurant, you know, they're eating the food, they're paying for the food, whatever the fuck. Let's say this person at the restaurant, he's disrespectful, right? He disrespects the staff or he disrespects the customers. He's just fucking up the vibe. People don't like this person. You know, something's fucking off. They don't like the energy. They don't like how he treats other people. What I would do is, as the fucking restaurant owner, I would tell this motherfucker, all right, you're fucking out. You're fucking out. I wouldn't take his money. I would say, you know what? You want the food? We'll wrap up the food. 5-star wrap, tin fucking foil. We'll give it. You want to keep the food here? Take the fucking food. Get the fuck out. Don't fucking come back. We don't want your money. I wouldn't even take fucking money from the motherfucker sitting at the table. I would tell him to get the fuck out, dude. Because in that particular situation, it's like, we don't want your dirty money, dude. We're fucking clean over here. If someone comes in here and fucks up the vibe on our fucking table, then they don't deserve to fucking sit at it. Even if they have the fucking money. It's like, dude, that's what I'm saying. This is a smart, rare, competent, sacred fucking group. And a lot of people don't like us because we can't be bought. We can't be fucking controlled. I don't give a shit, dude. I don't care if someone comes in here and they're a fucking billionaire. I don't care what they own. I don't care what connections that they have. I don't care what they think that they can do for me, whether that's getting the whole fucking planet inside of Team Roar overnight. I don't give a fuck. If someone comes in here with negativity, the wrong fucking attitude, the wrong fucking mindset, disrespecting us, starting shit, fucking up the vibe, they are fucking out because we know who we are. And if they don't fucking see it, then fuck them. Get the fuck out. We have a smart, competent fucking group. We can't be fucking bought. We can't be fucking controlled. We don't give a fuck, man. It's a privilege to fucking stay here, and it's a privilege to fucking eat here, dude. So that's what I'm saying, man. That's what I would do. You know, that's what I would fucking do. If someone wants to come in, disrespect the environment, disrespect the culture, disrespect the people, take your fucking food. We'll wrap it up in 5 stars. We're not going to spit in your fucking food. We will literally wrap it up in front of you. 5 stars, tinfoil, clean exit. Get the fuck out. We don't want your money. Don't fucking come back. That's what we would do, man. So if you want to sit at our fucking table and you want to print, it's the first link, man. I'm telling you, it is the first link down below in the fucking description. It's unlimited fucking winning, unlimited fucking printing. You are going to see, dude, it's the smartest, most competent group on the fucking planet. It's unlimited winning. Look at all the gains. Look at all of the fucking percentage gains, all of the fucking printing. This is what we do nonstop. It's just nonstop print, 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 print. It's just a money printing fucking machine making everyone fucking rich, you know? And not everyone's going to stay. Someone might act out. Someone might lose money. Someone might not be in the position to be following the overall system. They got too much going on, 9 to 5, juggling other things. You know, someone might realize that trading's just not for them. If you're going red and we're winning every single day, then maybe it's just not for you, man. Because the whole fucking group is literally going fucking green. If there's a small percentage that red, then maybe it's just you. $3,200 profit, unlimited winning, unlimited fucking print. It's like, dude, 3,200 months. You just bought yourself 20 months plus inside of Team Roar. Where else can you make 20 plus months the cost of a monthly subscription in a single fucking day? Where else can you consistently make multiple 1,000% returns? Where else can you sit at this fucking table? A rare presence. Where else can you get access to the stream during October? October only comes once a year. And I give you the best opportunity to join. So I'm telling you, this is going to be a reflection. This is going to be a mirror. And this is going to be a weight. And you're going to fucking feel it. If you are not in here by the end of fucking October and you watch every fucking thing we did, you're going to fucking feel that. You're going to look at that mirror. You're going to look at that reflection. You're going to be like, dude, who the fuck was I doing that by not fucking joining? And then you're going to feel the weight. And you're going to carry that fucking weight, dude. You want to carry that weight? Go ahead, carry that fucking weight. If that's what people want to do, if they want to carry that fucking weight in silence, that we're winning non-fucking stop, and they're not giving themselves the opportunity to join here and print, by all means, carry it. If that's how you want to live your life and carry that weight in fucking silence on your fucking own, knowing there's a belonging, there's a place for people to win and print every single day, then by all means, if that's the life you want to live, carry it, man. You know, some people, they don't want the easy way. They want the hard way. They want to try to do it all on their own, think they're better than us, have some sort of ego. Good fucking luck. At the end of the day, no matter fucking what, I promise you, we don't just have the best trades available in the market. We have the best real-time zero-date options trade alert system in the market. And it's unlimited fucking winning, and it's unlimited fucking printing, non-fucking stop, man. It's unlimited winning, unlimited fucking printing, non-fucking stop. $1,000, $250, all the fucking trades, all the fucking gains, $300, $300. It's like, dude, we have a recurring business. As recurring business owners, our job and responsibility is to make sure that we have the best recurring business so people stay and they don't leave. Which means we have to have the best community, the best environment, the best vibes, the best people here. And also, we have to have the best trades, the best real-time zero-date options trade alert system where it's easy for other people to make money following and they're also learning and growing in the group. Do you understand? The only way we get paid in this business is if people stay, not if they fucking join and fucking leave. So that's another thing. If you have no intention on staying, you want to come in here and dabble, you want to come in here, print a little bit and then leave and go somewhere else, don't fucking join. We're looking for people who want to stay at the table. If your mindset right now is, I'm just going to try it out. I'm not going to stay at the table. Even if I'm winning and making a fuck ton of money, I'm still going to leave. If that's your mindset, don't join. We don't want you. We don't want that energy at our table. We don't want temporary energy. We want long-term people in us. We want a long-term sustained community and business. We want to see all the familiar faces in our business. We don't want to see people using us, going in and fucking out. You know, pumping and fucking dumping us at. We're not looking for a fucking 1 month stand, motherfuckers. We're looking for, we're the best, you're here for life because you get results and you love the community. That's what we're looking for. If that's not you, don't fucking join. We don't want your money, man. We do not want that. If you're a dabbler, if you're temporarily, if you're going to come in here negative, wrong fucking vibes, fuck up the shit, if you're not in a place to be here, don't be here. If you're in a place to be here, sharp, smart, competent, open mind, positive, printing, trading experience, level up, grow, best trades in the market, ready to print every single day. At the end of the day, no matter fucking what, I'm getting a mirror and a reflection of the market, of the absolute best trades in the market and the best real-time zero-day option trading system. Ask questions in the chat, level up and grow with your peers. That's who we're fucking looking for, motherfuckers. This is a table. And in terms of our table, there is unlimited space. We do have unlimited seats at this table, but in terms of how the table is, set up, it's not for everyone. It's not everyone's going to be able to stay. And I already explained to you why not everyone's going to be able to stay. Everyone has different reasonings, right? And some people want to act up and be all nice and friendly and cool for months and then switch up over fucking night. It's like, dude, we're not here. If you blew up your account, or if there's some sort of like mental fucking issues, or if you're just going through some shit, we're here to fucking print, motherfuckers. If you're going to switch up overnight like a fucking actor, or just go full fucking like switch up on us, we're not here for that shit. We are here to print non-fucking stop. If you come up in here disrespectful, starting shit, it's like, dude, people come in here sometimes with a hot fucking head. They've been here for a month, 2 months. They think they know shit. We've been here for over a decade. We have the same faces. And the beauty of this community is a lot of the same faces who've been around us is very, very interesting, man. They have our back, and they have our back in an interesting way. What we do is, if someone starts shit, we just let them have the floor for a little bit, and then all of the shit comes out of the chat, and then we just get rid of the shit. It all gets exposed. If someone wants to come in here and act like a fuck up, then other people, some of them, they start fucking up too, and then the group has identified these are the shitheads, and then we identify the shitheads, and then all of the smart, positive people come out after all the shitheads fucking go. That's how the shit works, man. You get hundreds of members. Well, out of hundreds, a couple of them are shitheads, and then you got to get rid of the shitheads. And when we get rid of the fucking shitheads, the group goes to new all-time highs, and we get served the best trades available in the market, because that's how life works. If there's someone in your life and they're shit, you should get them out of your life. And whether they have some sort of energy you like, some sort of attachment, some sort of fucking opportunity for you, a job, whatever the fuck, it doesn't fucking matter. If someone is shit, get them out of your life. Do something fucking else, man. It doesn't fucking matter. That's why I say, like, we can't be bought. We can't be controlled. We don't give a fuck. We don't care what opportunity. Dude, I don't give a shit. If someone comes in here and says, I can get you 100 million members right now, I would tell them, I don't give a shit. If you're a piece of shit, get the fuck out. We don't fucking care. We're set for fucking life. We've established a strong, loyal base who's been with us for fucking years, and we're growing every single day at all-time fucking highs. It's a snowball fucking effect. Dude, you need to understand. Our group is the absolute best. You need to join the group, man. I'm fucking telling you, man. That's what I'm saying. If you guys have someone fucking negative in your fucking life, cut them off. I don't give a fuck. If they're supplying you with money, if they're supplying you with a fucking opportunity, get them the fuck out. Get that shit out of your fucking life. If they're benefiting you in some fucking way, is not fucking worth it. Is really not. Get them the fuck out. I don't give a fuck, man. If you're working a job and they treat you like shit, leave it. Find another fucking job. Find another fucking way. Don't go serving people who are pieces of fucking shit. Fuck their help. That's what I'm saying, man. This group, we're smart, we're competent, we print non-fucking stop. It's unlimited fucking win, unlimited fucking printing. People at our table, they know what comes with it, man. It's fucking amazing. Literally the best members in the group. We had some people lashing out. They were all fucking silent. And our silence held all the fucking weight. And it started exposing all the fucking people who shouldn't have been in the group at the fucking first place. And then they got the fuck out, because that's how shit goes. And then all the motherfuckers who were silenced, then they started coming out. When shit was bright, when shit was fucking positive. We let the negativity have the floor for a couple minutes, boom, gone. Speed of light, cleaned up. Get the fuck out of the fucking restaurant. That's what the fuck I'm talking about, man. We run shit quick. If people start some shit in here quick, maybe they have the floor for a very short period of time and they're fucking out. We cut that shit quick, man. Very, very fucking quick. Tight fucking circle, man. That's what I'm saying. We don't need people backing us up, try to be all positive and shit. We just if the negativity has the floor for a couple seconds, give it a couple seconds, let it air out, get all the shit out, and then boom, all the positive people, all the smart, competent people, own the floor again. That's how we fucking run shit over here, man. Our silence carries fucking weight, man. That's what I'm saying, man. Some people want to take shit the hard way and carry the fucking weight. So look, man, get the fuck in the group. You're going to print. You're going to love it. And you're going to see it's unlimited fucking win, unlimited fucking print at the speed of fucking light, man. Look at this mirror. Look at this reflection. I'm telling you, we top out towards previous day highs. Massive fucking sell-off. So, anyways, in terms of profit targets for puts, if we go below 667, we're looking at a drop all the way down to 66370. In terms of price considerations for calls, these are going to be the best levels for calls if SPY has a bearish trend day. Your best levels are going to be right here. 661 is going to be your absolute best level. 660 to 661 and 658 are going to be your best levels for calls. If we're towards these levels into the close with not a lot of time left on the shot clock, 662 to 663. Those are the game plans. Those are the levels. We're going to absolutely crush it. Like I said, this is going to be our absolute strongest closing week. And my gosh, the amount of fucking printing, it's like, dude, there's going to be people in here. They make a fucking, put it this way. There's going to be people in here this week. They're going to make over a decade of what it costs to stay here, you know? And then from there, for them to stay here, it's their decisions, you know? They make good choices. They could stay for a decade. They make poor choices. They lash out. They're fucking out. They give all their money back to the market. They can't afford the group. Blow up their account. They're fucking out. You know? Trading's not for everyone. Not everyone survives in the market. Look at the fucking statistics. We're the ones that are smashing through those fucking statistics, making this a place where people can actually win every single fucking week. Where losing is genuinely a personal fucking choice. You know? If losing's not a choice, then you're not in here. That's what I would say, man. You're not using the game plans. You're not being self-sufficient. You're not using the fucking levels to get in here. You're not in the fucking group. All this shit's a choice. Losing's a choice. Look at the fucking results. Right fucking here, man. Look at the fucking gains. Look at the fucking results. Look at this. This is what you're missing out on. This is normal. This is our normal. Proof that's normal, we give the game plans. The game plans work to a T. All the multimillionaires, everyone backing us, they all use the fucking game plans. Our silent souls, wait. Some of the best people in here, they don't even fucking chat. The guy in here barely fucking chats. He showed he made 14 fucking K yesterday. Then we got a couple more people showing they made 10K. Then you got all the people in the silence not showing fucking shit. They're like, dude, I don't want people to see how much money I'm making. 600, 6, 7, 110 SPX calls, 100 cents, 104 fucking PM. 104 PM. You go to this shit and you're going to see we're the best. You're going to see that whoever the fuck you follow is shit compared to us. There's no comparison. There's no realm. We're in our own lane and we're the best in our lane. That's how this shit goes. This is where we bought calls. 100 cents at the exact lows. It went straight to 400 and then it dropped back to 160 and then it went to 1,000. Losing's a fucking choice. If you're red, quit. Get the fuck out of the group. Cancel the subscription. Get the fuck out. No fucking weak links here, man. If you're broke, don't trade. That's the answer. If you can't afford 25 cents a contract to make 100 cents plus, don't fucking trade. It's the best risk reward. It's the cheapest, lowest risk trade you're ever going to find from market open to market close. 104 p.m., we give people options. This is what we do. We give people options, you know? You're too fucking, if someone's too fucking broke for 100 cents a contract, we got you. We'll cut it to 25 cents. If someone's rich enough to take both trades, we got you. Here's 2 wins. Don't just take this trade because this is 1 risk. This is 1 win. Do you understand? These trades are on the same side, but they're 2 different trades and they're 2 different strikes, which means if you got the money, you take both trades. You understand? That's 2 massive wins. This isn't just 1 trade. This is 2 trades. This isn't just 2 trades for 1 broke person who has less with a smaller account, for 1 smaller account and then 1 who has a richer account. No, this is 2 massive W's. This is 2 massive wins. We got options. You want 2 massive W's? Here you go. Put in 1 max risk per trade for each trade. You don't have enough money for 100 cents? Here you go. Here's 25 cents. Fuck your 9 to 5. Put in $25, flip it to 100 in an hour. Is your 9 to 5 going to do that? This is what this is. This is, we're the fucking best. This is fucking 9 to 5. Fuck your job. Fuck your boss. Come here. Show them what you're doing in here. Are you doing this? Yeah, all of a sudden your fucking boss is working for you now. Oh shit, all of a sudden you're run shit. All of a sudden you have fucking control to do whatever the fuck you want in your fucking life. All of a sudden you don't have to take orders for everyone. You can just do whatever the fuck you want. You want to go here, you want to travel there, you want to work there, you want to do this, you want to do that, boom. That's what I'm saying, man. This is financial fucking freedom, motherfuckers. Wake the fuck up. So, 668 calls. 25 cents a contract. Oh, my account's too small for 100 cents. All right, what's your excuse now? What's your excuse now? Here's 25. Here, right here. 104 p.m. Here, 25 cents. If you're that fucking broke, don't trade, dude. $25, 1 hour later, $145. 9 to 5, $15, $18 an hour, $20 an hour. Over here, you risk fucking 20 bucks, it flips to 140. Your choice, man. Your fucking choice. We do this shit every day. This is our normal. This is our normal. Again, I don't know what's going on the outside. It's been a while. You understand? It's been a while since I've been on the outside. I'm good. I don't need to see what's going on out there. You know? Me, I'm in my temple. I'm in my own world. I created my own world. I'm in my temple. I'm in the studio. I'm putting in the work. You understand? I'm in my own shit. I'm in my own fucking lane. What's going on out there, dude? I don't know, dude. I don't know. What's going on out there? You know, I'm not looking at any fucking negativity that goes on. I'm in my own shit. I print 24/7. I have my own fucking life. I've created my own life. No one can compare what's going on in my life. The life I made, this was made for me. This shit was made for me. Like, this is what we're doing, man. You know what's going on? Oh, some bad shit's going on. Oh, that's what's going on out there. Over here, we print nonstop 24/7 good positive vibes. You know, over there, oh, well, that's what's going on over there. You know, that's other people's fucking lives. This is what we do. We create money printing systems that print non-fucking stop. We make people rich. You know, you don't want to be rich, don't fucking join. You know, fine, don't fucking join. You want to hold that weight, carry that weight for the rest of your life. Man, I had the opportunity to join this group. They win every single day. They're smart, they're competent, they have a strong loyal base, they've been around forever. All right, fine. You don't want to join? Okay, carry that weight in silence. Man, I wonder what would happen if I would have joined that group. Oh fuck, the Scream went off in September. He made everyone fucking rich. Yeah. Fuck you, motherfuckers. The Scream going off in fucking October, too. It's like, dude, you don't want to join? Then fuck you. We give you the fucking opportunity to print before you join the group. We give you the fucking curriculum for free, you know? And sit here and give you a free education. I just don't think you're going to be able to use it as good as we fucking are. Because at the end of the day, what comes to trading is price action, you know? Discipline, skill sets, time in the market, experience in the market, unlimited fucking winning, unlimited fucking printing, non-fucking stop. So, added to the 668 calls. So let's be real. Who do you know is adding to winners, doubling the gains? Added 668 calls right here at 1:12 p.m. You go to 1:12 p.m. on these 668 calls. So the reason why we add to winners is because when you add to a winner, you double the gains. The reason why we avoid adding to losers is because when you add to a loser, you can lose more gains if the trade doesn't come back to life. But if you add to winners, you can double to triple the gains. Now, how do you add to a winner without taking on extra risk? Because obviously when you add to a winner, you're doubling your position size, and you might think, well, you're doubling your risk too. Nope, no, you're not. You set a profit stop. If you're green on a trade and you add to a winner and you set a profit stop, it's impossible to go green to red. As you can see, once we added to the trade, it quickly went to 60 cents without having a pullback before that. So that's fucking phenomenal, man. Added at 1:12 p.m., added at 32 cents. It went straight to 60, then it went to 140. Adding to trades doubles the gains. Adding to losers exposes you to risk, to increasing your loss if the trade doesn't come back to life. Setting a stop loss on a trade exposes you to the risk of getting stopped down on a trade that could have been a massive W. And here we put in our max risk per trade, right? So if you have a small account, you can risk 1 to 2 contracts and you can make massive fucking gains by holding those for massive wins. And the way we're able to have such massive gains without taking little risk is because we put in our max risk per trade and then we add to wins, but it doesn't increase our max risk per trade because we set profit stops. If you set a profit stop after adding to win, it's impossible to go green to red. And we hold our trades for massive fucking gains. And we also have high win rates, not that we need it, because in terms of our foundation of trading, dude, you can literally be in this group and have a win rate as low as 30% and be purely shit and still be profitable. Because if your win rate's 30%, you have 2 losses, 100% loss each. And then on your wins are going to be above 200% plus, and you're going to be adding to the wins which double the gains, right? So losing's a personal fucking choice, even if your win rate's as low as 30%. Everybody knows smart traders have systems that take decades of experience to build, and smart traders optimize for systems that are cheap, low risk with the biggest percentage gains in the market that make everyone rich in the cheapest, lowest risk way. And everybody knows that holding trades results in massive wins, and holding losers results in trends coming back to life for you to print. And the way to hold a loser is to not add to a loser and put in your max risk per trade. So the most you lose is if you got stopped out anyways, except since there's no stop loss, you have to hold the trade. Everybody knows we're doing the complete opposite of what everyone else is doing, and we're on shit that's not out there. The shit we're on is us. It doesn't exist. It's not in another fucking realm. The frequency we're on, it can't be found, it can't be bought, it can't be created. It's us. We're on our own fucking frequency. We're in our own fucking lane. It's like, dude, this shit's worth a fucking fortune. This shit, money can't touch it. Money can't buy. You know how many people that I've met in my life, even in my group, people, they come across me, they come across Giro, our energy, our trades. There's been people that we've come in contact with, and some of the motherfuckers are richer than us. There's been some people coming in at fucking tens and hundreds of fucking millions of dollars, and they're fucking jealous of fucking us. They're like, dude, they got more money, but fuck, I want their fucking frequency. I want their fucking vibes. It's like, dude, this is us. We figured this shit out. We cracked the fucking code. We broke the matrix. We walked through the fire. We put in all the fucking work. This shit took for fucking ever to fucking figure out, dude. That's what I'm saying. Someone does me wrong in my life, they're left not with fucking revenge. I don't seek revenge on any fucking one. They're left with my silence and the weight to carry that fucking silence. Oh my fucking goodness, man. That's what I'm saying, dude. If someone does me wrong in my life, they lose me. They lose me instantly. Gone. Disappeared. Where'd he go? And then maybe one day they see I'm untouchable. I leveled up. I glowed up. Or maybe they don't see it. But you know what? At the end of the fucking day, the weight it is to carry when someone loses me, especially if they did me fucking dirty. Oh my fucking gosh, dude. Let's just put it this way. I've experienced firsthand, and I didn't even try to. I just experienced it. It's like I literally got sat in a table. Just think about it like spiritually. I was spiritually sat at a table where I witnessed someone who did me wrong. I sat at that table and I watched their downfall firsthand. I'm like, dude, I would not wish this on any fucking one who did me fucking wrong. What I'm saying is, dude, like there's a weight that people carry, especially if people do me. It's like, dude, there's a weight. If people see shit or people do me wrong, there's a weight to carry with that. That's what I'm saying. People do us wrong. They carry the weight of our fucking silence in what they fucking lost. Man, I'm telling you, they fucked up. They really did fuck up, man. You know? But that's their fucking life. That's their fucking choice, man. There's no fucking going back. Life moves on, man. And they're stuck with carrying that fucking weight. Like, fuck. I lost fucking that. I have to carry the fucking weight of losing fucking that. Life could have been so much fucking better, so much fucking easier with fucking that, and I lost it clean. Not even fucking touched. No revenge, no fucking, and then, dude, the weight of fucking carrying that, oh my fucking gosh. Wouldn't fucking, it's like, it's fucking insane, man. Like I said, some people in this world, they want to take the hard path thinking they're doing something better. It's like, dude, you could have took a path that was positive, better, and easier for you to grow. But nope, you want to take the hard path. You want to do people wrong, or you want to just fucking see things fucking differently. Whatever the fuck it's like, dude. Some people done fucked up, and that's for them to carry, not fucking me. If people don't want to see me a certain way, treat me, you know, a certain way, whatever the fuck, fine, lose fucking access to me. Do me wrong, fine, lose fucking access to me. You carry that shit. Me, straight to the fucking top. With or without you. Whether you're carrying that shit, you carry that, good. You carry that shit in silence, I'm going straight to the top, motherfuckers. That's what I'm saying, man. It's all your fucking choice. You want to win? It's the first link down below in the description. You want to do fucking you on your own? Oh, go ahead. Use the game plans, see how well they work, and then question why the fuck you're not in here. 6, 7, 10 SPX puts. This is the third fucking trade, man. This is the third fucking trade. Shout out to fucking Freedom, man. The Scream is alerting trades at the lows, and then he's saying his poppy, his dog, you know, his dog, right? He missed the initial exit, getting distracted by his dog. Good fucking shit. Well fucking deserved. Fucking live it the fuck up, man. Anyone who fucking works for me, they're free to do what the fuck they want, you know? As long as they're good fucking people, like G-Roar, you ain't gonna find another G-Roar. G-Roar's fucking amazing. You ain't gonna find another me. Shit, good fucking luck. Does not fucking exist. You guys are on the absolute fucking best. Set fucking profit stops so you don't fucking bitch. If you go to red after a trade goes up multiple 100% profit return, you go fucking red, good, you deserve it. If we're green as fuck starting off the week and you flip red, good, you fucking deserve it. If you can't manage risk, the weight of the market is going to come down on you so fucking hard and you're going to give it all back. 6, 7, 10 SPX puts for 85 cents. Add 3:43 p.m. So 6, 7, 10 SPX puts. We go to the time right here. Oh shit, even the puts, they trade both ways. They're buying at the exact lows. I try to tell them, Scream October. Fine, they don't want to join. Fuck them. Let them fucking starve, dude. If people want to stay broke, then I think they should stay broke. That's what I think. If someone wants to stay broke, then fine, stay broke. You don't want to win? Fine, stay a loser. It's your fucking choice. It's your fucking life. I'm not here to control people. I can't be fucking controlled. I show up. I do my fucking work. This is what I do. If people don't want to fucking win, if people want to stay fucking losers, if people want to stay fucking broke, fine, let them learn the hard way. Let them live shitty fucking lives. Let them, dude. Fucking let them. Fine, your fucking life. We got a group over here who's the complete fucking opposite and win nonstop. We don't fucking need them. We don't need to fix them. Let them fucking stay like that. Let them figure the shit out on their own. Good fucking luck, man. People want to make shit the hard way, make it the hard way, man. The fuck? We're here to make everyone rich. You know, if people want to stay fucking broke and fucking incompetent, fine, let them, you know? Someone's got to fucking flip the fucking burgers and watch the fucking dishes, you know? The robots aren't everywhere yet. Someone's got to fucking do this shit, man. 6710 SPX puts for 85 fucking cents. Add, right? You go to add 67110 puts 3:39 p.m. So you go to 3:39 fucking p.m. and you're gonna see we're the best because we bought puts at the low. 3:39 p.m. 85 cents. As you could see, you take the high of this 85 to fucking 80 cents. Look, minutes later it goes to 155. That's 100%. You would have made 100% in minutes. And look, we added to the win. You add to the win, you win more. Added at 95 cents. The trade went to 170 cents. You seeing this? 80 cents to 170 cents. So let's be real. Who do you know bought SPY and SPX calls at the exact lows, and then the trade went up over 1,000% within an hour? Then after that, switched and added to the winners, which doubled the gains on 668 calls. Then after that, bought SPX, 6, 7, 10 puts at the exact lows at the time being, went up 100% and added to the winners to double the gains. Who do you know is winning this much, this consistent, this big, trading both ways? It does not exist. And I'm trying to explain to you that it's October. And everybody knows in terms of the Scream, if you're going to wear the Scream avatar and you're really that guy and you're really about it, everybody knows the real fucking deal would have the absolute best month in fucking history and blow everyone out of the fucking park on fucking October. Everybody knows if this was real, then October would be the absolute best month for the Scream. And I think this is living fucking proof that the Scream is here. And what I'm telling you is, this is what's going to happen if you're not surrounded by the Scream. So I'll tell you what's going to happen. If you're not in our group, every single day, you're going to watch our videos. Yeah, you might be making money. Yeah, you might be self-sufficient. Yeah, you might be leveling up on your own. But every single day, it's going to feel like you're getting murdered by the Scream. You're going to look at the Scream's trades, and you're going to be like, fuck. This guy is not only murdering all my trades and murdering all my results that I thought were good, but also he's murdering every fucking group out there. Every company you know of, every trader you know of, he's murdering them all. And nobody knows who it is. It's a fucking mystery. Some people think it's me. They think I'm the fucking Scream. I said, dude, two different people, two different fucking frequencies. But at the end of the day, I mean, there's definitely soul connection, you know? In that way, it's like, dude, we've definitely hit soul connection. Like, shit's just different, man. But what I'm telling you is, you're not going to find anything else out there like this on the fucking planet. You won't find another trader, another fucking frequency like us on the fucking planet. It's like, dude, we literally reflect and mirror each other in ways like it's fucking insane. And that's who you need to surround yourself with. You need to surround yourself with people who mirror and reflect the journey that you're on right now, right? So you can experience that real-time presence of other people on your path, but also surround yourself with people who are above you, people who have a certain skill set, certain energy, a certain thing that you want. Surround yourself with that people too, because that's where you're fucking headed. You're on the journey in your presence with people around you who are on a similar journey. And also, you know, you're surrounded by people who are above, you know, like where you can, not, I wouldn't say above, just in a way like they're where you want to be in the future. So what I'm telling you is surround yourself with people who reflect where you are right now, right? Who are on that journey with you, striving for the same things, and also surround yourself with people who already have it, people who already achieved it, and people who can help get you to where you want to go as well. Those are the best mirrors, man. Don't go surrounding yourself with people who are lower, you know, who are in a much fucking lower fucking shit than fucking you are, or a past fucking version of yourself. Fuck that. Level the fuck up. You know, that's what I like. There's a lot of mirrors in life, and the mirrors that I like to see, put it this way. In my world, I like to see everything reflect where I'm at in life. Wherever the fuck I'm at in life, where I'm at, I want to see as I'm working, as I'm putting in the work, as I'm on that journey, as I'm living in my presence, actively in my presence in real time. I want to see that being reflected to me immediately. That's fucking exciting. You know, when the path you're on, there's similarities and there's a lot of reflections. Everything around you is reflecting that. And I also want to see results. I want to see people who already achieved results that I want, and they're there reflecting that to me, you know? And I'm not jealous about that. I'm fucking ecstatic for that. I'm like, dude, that's where I'm going to fucking end up. That's where I'm going to fucking be. And then in real time, you're not only around those motherfuckers, but you're around people who are reflecting you in your journey, you know? So that's what I like. I like, in terms of the mirrors and reflections I like in my life, I like a mirror that reflects exactly where I'm at. Is very, very good. It's beautiful. It's grounding. It's a great reflection. It's like a real-time presence. It's like, oh shit, it's like I'm living in the fucking moment. And then I also like to see where I'm fucking going. Where I'm fucking going. That's what I like to see, man. I like to see my presence and my future reflected in real time. Without the presence, you ain't living life. You ain't living in the process. And then without the fucking future, you ain't getting the fucking results. I like to fucking see it all, man. Those are the mirrors I like. I don't like being around Lotus, man. Like I said, some low shit comes into my life. Oh my gosh. It's like, dude, people pull some dumb shit at the speed of light. They lose me like that. They lose me like that. And they're left with the weight of carrying that fucking silence of losing fucking me. Because whenever I lose someone in general, or just whenever someone does me wrong, and they're no longer in my path, you know, they're out, fucking, they're out of my shit. I just level up non-fucking stop. That's what I'm saying. Like, this group does better When a couple people get banned, when 100 people join and we got to ban 2 or 3 rotten eggs, the group actually does better. Because like I said, you can sit at a restaurant, right? It's your choice, man. This is how I run my place. Like I'm saying, let's say you own a restaurant, right? Like I said, if you're the owner of a restaurant, it's your choice how you run your business. It's your choice. There's communities out there, they just take people's money. They say, okay, you can break the rules, you can be a piece of shit, but we'll take your money. You can fuck up the vibe, we'll let low frequency in. It's like, dude, we don't do shit like that. We create high frequency communities. We make sure the community that we're creating is a reflection of who we are. That's what we fucking do. We're saying like, dude, if our community isn't reflecting us, they need to get the fuck out. Like the fuck? I want to see a reflection of me. I want to see fucking reflections of people, of who people truly are, not just us and where they want to go, but I want to see fucking reflections of who these people truly fucking are. You know, we're all for letting people be them wildest, purest selves. We want everyone to be their selves to the fucking max. We don't want anyone fucking dimmed. We don't want anyone to hold fucking back. We want you guys to be yourselves to the absolute fucking max. You should be comfortable in here being who you are to the absolute fucking max, not fucking holding back, dude. I've had people in my life, they try to dim me, or they'll be like, dude, what's going on with you? I'm like, dude, I'm being my fucking self. If you can't accept my A-list energy, then fine, that's on fucking you. They'll be like, well, yesterday you weren't like that. Well, I'm on a different fucking frequency today. Like, fuck. Like, that's what I'm saying. I'm looking for high frequency fucking people, man. Like, in my shit, I want the best. And I want people who want to be the fucking best. If people got the open minds, right positive mindset, they're willing to put the work in and they're not there yet, they could sit at the table too. We want everyone to fucking level up. But if someone's negative, they got bad vibes, like I said, it doesn't matter. We don't care what the fuck you carry. We don't care what the fuck connections you have. We don't care how much money you have. We don't care about your titles. We don't care about what you own. We don't give a fuck who the fuck. We don't give a shit. If someone's a piece of shit, they're fucking out. No matter what. No matter fucking what. We don't give a fuck. If there's something that we want from you, we don't fucking care. We cut ties like that. Boom. Within a fucking instant. If someone does us wrong, or if someone fucks with someone else in the fucking community. Not just us. If someone's fucking with someone else in the fucking community, they're fucking out, dude. I don't give a fuck. If a billionaire comes in here, and there's been a member in here, even if he wasn't that long, if he treats that member like shit or says some slick shit to him, they're fucking out. We don't give a fuck. We don't care if that member's not even fucking successful. If they're positive and they're fucking trying, they could fucking stay and the fucking billionaire can go. We're creating high frequency, communities, but at the end of the day, there is a certain level of respect that sits at the fucking table, man. If people don't have that fucking respect, then don't say anything at all. Don't fucking say anything at all. If you want to come in here all fucking disrespectful, negative, starting shit, then either keep that shit to your fucking self or get the fuck out. That's what I'm saying, man. We're creating the best, highest frequency fucking community. Nobody's fucking leaving. It's unlimited fucking winning, and it's unlimited fucking printing, non-fucking stop, man. Look at this, 265% return on 6720 calls. Unlimited winning, unlimited fucking printing, non-fucking stop. 375% return, $2,720, $2,077 profit. You could stay for the next year. New member just joined. Look at the results. $1,000 profit on 662 calls. Oh my gosh. Wasn't there a young genius who is smart, incredible, one of one? Didn't this rare fucking genius in his fucking hometown say in the fucking thumbnail of last night's live stream to buy 662 calls? It literally said in the title, 662 calls, bull rally. Oh, fuck. Someone listened to this young genius and bought the calls and they made $1,000. And then I saw, dude, I looked at the comments. I was looking at the comments of that free fucking shit. I saw someone complaining. Someone was bitching and whining, complaining that I had a fucking service. And then I saw another motherfucker comment, you can't charge $2K. What the fuck you talking about? We can charge whatever the fuck you want. We got new members making $1,000. That's worth a fuck ton more than $1,000. The motherfucker just joined. There's no fucking limits to us. Do you understand? Our trades are fucking limitless. If we can consistently make people thousands of fucking percents of returns, we can charge whatever the fuck we want. Who the fuck are they to say we can't charge fucking 2K? You don't want to pay 2K? You don't want to sit on our table? Fine, get the fuck out. No brokies allowed. If people want to stay broke forever, then fuck them, dude. If everyone in Team Roar wants to wake up someday because they all just fucking changed, or fucking they all fucking became delusional, if they all got some fucking disease, or if they all just fucking, if everyone wants to wake up one day inside of Team Roar and act like a bunch of fucking actors and just act like we're not who we are and start becoming negative and shit, then they can all fucking leave too. If everyone wants to switch up on us one fucking day for whatever the fucking reason and they all want to cancel us, good. Let them all fucking go, and it'll be me and fucking G-Roar in the group printing non-fucking stop without them, man, because it's a fucking privilege to be here, man. That's what I'm saying. We're creating the highest frequency community of money fucking printing machines, dude. If you're not about fuck you money, then get the fuck out of the group. That's what I would fucking suggest. Because in here, it's unlimited fuck you money. It's unlimited fucking printing. Shout out to all the ladies inside of Team Roar. There's been a lot more ladies joining, and they all been extremely positive. And if you look at the results, man, I'm telling you, it's unlimited winning, unlimited printing. $280 profit, $85 profit. Love to see it. Thank you for the video. That's what we love. Oh my gosh, people with respect. Love to see it, dude. Man, one of the things that I hate the most in this world are people. It's like, dude, this is what I hate. This is one of the things that I hate the most in people. It's people who have it all and are disrespectful pieces of shit. Oh my fucking gosh. It's like, dude, it's one thing to be broke and to have nothing and to be a disrespectful piece of shit. But if someone's rich as fuck and they're just a disrespectful piece of shit, it's like, dude, what the fuck is wrong with that first person? It's like they literally have all this fucking shit and that's how they're gonna fucking be. They haven't figured out fucking class. They haven't figured out fucking presence. They haven't figured out fucking respect. Like fucking people, man. I think one of the worst things to be is someone fucking rich. I mean, in a way, it depends how you look with it, man. But that's one thing I really can't fucking stand that, man. It's just so different in terms of perspectives, you know? It's like broke people, they need to figure out how to become successful. So you motherfuckers should at least have fucking respect. But then rich people, it's like they're already rich. So, you know, they could be assholes. Obviously, there's prices to pay and consequences for that, you know? But it's like, the fuck? You're gonna be fucking rich and a fucking ass. That's one shit I can't fucking stand, man. I cannot fucking stand rich fucking people being fucking disrespectful and shit. It's like, oh my gosh, dude. I've seen people come and go out of my life, man, and I'm telling you, oh my goodness, man, the fucking weight to carry of that fucking silence, dude. Like, dude, that's how people are left, man. When someone does me wrong, I vanish. I don't seek revenge. I don't try to do anything I just vanish. And that's the fucking consequence. It's like, that's the strongest thing I can possibly fucking do, is just vanishing out of their fucking life. And then maybe they see me rising the fuck up, or if not, but at the end of the day, it's like, the weight to carry that fucking loss, my fucking gosh, people choosing to do that, they're just really choosing a harder path that's just so unnecessary. You know, they could be on good terms, or they could just leave on good terms, but no, they want to carry away the silence, knowing that they did that person that, and they're just rising up. Fine, fucking people, man. People's just different. I've seen it happen, man. I've known people for years. They done me like that. It's like, dude, fucking people, man. Some people's just like that, you know. Had a member in the groups with us for fucking months, switches up overnight. It's like, dude, we don't give a fuck if you're here for years. We don't care if you have money. We don't care what the fuck. Like, if you switch up overnight, you are fucking out. If something's going on and you're gonna put that shit in a group and you're not able to keep that shit out of the group, you know, if you lost money or something just negatives happen in your life, or you're going through some shit, if you're gonna spread that negativity in our group overnight and just switch up, like, you're just fucking out. That's how it is, man. Like, the fuck, we're here to print, we're here to make money, we're here to build a smart fucking group, you know. If someone acts that way in a fucking restaurant, the owner says you gotta fucking leave. Take your fucking food. We're not going to fucking spin it. We'll wrap it up 5 stars in front of you. We'll give you the best experience right before you leave, and you could sit with that, you know? And then the next time you come in contact with someone who treats you as good as us, right? Or someone who could help you out in that sense, maybe you'll treat them better. But you ain't having second chance with us, you know? The next person, if you find another person and they help you out, you treat them good, you know? You treat us like shit, all right, you're out. Go treat the next person better. You felt the weight of our silence, now go be a good fucking person. That's how this shit works. There's no fucking second chances, man. People need to be stable. You want to trade, you got to be stable. The fuck? You want to wake up and switch up? Look, if you want to wake up and switch up on people, you do that shit outside the group. You don't do that shit inside the group. But our group is so real and so authentic. If someone's a piece of shit, at some point, they're likely just going to crack and show the group that they're a piece of shit. Like, they're not even going to be able to hold it in. They're just going to either switch up one night or force themselves to just be fucking silent. But the way how our group is, they're just going to crack. I'm telling you, people are going to crack at some point. It's like, dude, we should have disclaimers for cracking people. It's like people are going to get cracked wide the fuck open in this group. I've been cracked multiple times inside of this fucking group, man. I'm telling you, there's people in this group who will awaken you, who will change things in your life, who will make you see certain things, man. And some of the things that you're going to see, you might not like it. And some people might not be able to fucking handle that. That's what I'm saying. Like, we should have a disclaimer for fucking cracking people. If you join a group, you might get cracked, you know? Me, I love getting cracked. It's like, dude, I've been cracked so many fucking times. Like, Oh my fucking gosh! I just level up. I go straight to the top over fucking night. It's like I like fucking seeing that shit. Level up, boom, speed of fucking light. Like I needed to see that shit, or I needed to fucking experience that, or I needed to fucking go through that. But sometimes, man, sometimes people are just piece of shits. Like for people to make low moves and shit like that, like it's like, dude, the fuck. What are you expecting to happen? You come in here, you fuck up, you're banned. Then what? You carry the weight of my silence, and that's it. You know? Hopefully, when they meet the next person who's there to help them in their life, hopefully they treat them better since they don't want to treat us good. You know, it is what it fucking is, man. So, is the first link down below in the description. With that being said, it's unlimited fucking winning and unlimited fucking printing. I would strongly suggest that you join this group right fucking now because October just started and we already had multiple 1000% returns. If you want to see the trade that I ended up making, I'll show you, man. Look, this is the one trade that I made. You know, it was a smaller win, but the timing was fucking impeccable, man. Shit's worth a fucking fortune. So this was the one trade that I made. You know, day before this was the day where I had 3 multiple 1000% returns on fucking SPY and SPX calls the exact lows. And then G-Roar, I fucking love it, man. That's what I'm saying. I love the mirroring reflection, you know? The people I trade alongside, I want them to mirror me. If I'm buying calls, multiple 1000% returns, I want to see them doing that too. And it's like G-Roar was an exact reflection and mirror of what I was doing yesterday. I love to fucking see that, man. That's what I love to see. I love to see people who reflect me. And I also like to see people who reflect where I want to be, where I want to go. That's how I live my life. And that's the best way to live, man. I don't want to see reflections of lowness. I don't want to see reflections of my past self. I got past that. That's past self. That's past version. I've learned. I've went through it. I've learned from mistakes. We're all humans. We all make mistakes. I don't want to see low reflections. I don't want to see past reflections. I don't want to see lowness. It gets to a certain point where all you want to see is reflections of who you are. So for example, I bought calls at the lows. My employee G-Roar, next day he bought calls at the lows. That's a reflection of fucking me. We're reflecting each other. We're mirroring each other back. That's what I want to see. And I also want to be surrounded by not just people, not just environments who are reflecting who I am in my presence, in my journey, right? If I'm a good person, then everyone in my presence should be reflecting back that they're a good person. And if they're not, then they should be removed from my life. And if they did me wrong, there's no reason for me to do anything wrong to them. The reward is they're out of my life. I get to go higher. And they're left with the weight to carry that. Wow, I did that person wrong. I better make sure I treat the next one right. That's how life fucking works, man. Don't seek revenge on anyone. Don't seek revenge on any fucking one. You know? People lose you. You level up. That's their fucking choice. You know? Maybe since they lost you, they'll treat the next person better. Or they'll learn their fucking lesson. Or maybe they'll just stay a piece of shit for the rest of life because that's who they truly are. Time tells. So with that being said, man, it's unlimited fucking winning and it's unlimited fucking printing. And I would strongly suggest that you get in this group. Because let me tell you something. The amount of winning, the amount of testosterone, the amount of balls, it's like, dude, you join our group, you're gonna gain testosterone, you're gonna gain balls, you're gonna gain wins. You're gonna love your life. It's gonna be great, man. And that's what I'm saying, man. Life, like that's how I love living my life, man. Everything around me, where I go, how I move, everything, the things I own, stuff like, I want it all to reflect me, and I also want it to reflect where I'm going, man. So surround yourself with people who are on the journey that you're on, who are reflecting you, and surround yourself with people who are where you want to go. Don't be jealous. If you're seeing things show up in your life and you want those things, there's no reason to be jealous. Look at that as where you're going. And in the future, you'll have it. You can look at that as something that you're going to have in the future. And the cool thing about it is you're going to have, if you're your true self, yeah, you can have that, but it's going to be your version, which is what makes it special and rare, you know? And anyone can have that relationship. Anyone can look at something and see a certain relationship, or anyone can, want that car. But at the end of the day, no one can replicate you having that. And once your future self gets that, it's going to be the best experience, something much greater than the eye can see, that rare presence, that experience. Like, it's beautiful, man. And that's the, I'm telling you, that's the best part of life. That's how I like living my life. Wherever the fuck I am, wherever the fuck I go, whatever the fuck I own, whatever the fuck I buy, I want everything to reflect me. And I want things to reflect where I'm going, the future me. And then when you get to the future of you, it's just so interesting. Like, you look at things that you want in your life, and then when you achieve them, you didn't expect it to feel that way, or you're like, you looked at it when you didn't have it, and then when you actually get it, you're like, whoa, like I actually got it, like this is me. And now that I have it, it's like it's a rare version. It's like you have that, like you weren't like the other person who had that, he might have had that and you might have wanted that, but he's not you. And then when you have it, you're like, oh shit, this is fucking different. Like that's what I'm saying, man. Like shit's fucking amazing, man. When you actually achieve shit that was truly meant for you and you stay true to yourself and true to your path, there's nothing like it, man. This shit really just starts coming to you. The right people start showing up, right things start happening. Like literally in my life, everything in my life. And I'm telling you, a key to this, I'm telling you, with building a community, not just community and people, it's removing people out of your life. That's why I'm saying you create a certain community or you create, your true self. Certain people, when you start leveling up and stuff like that, certain people start getting removed from your life. They start getting exposed. Some people just leave. Some people do you wrong and they leave. And that's that. You just keep on moving forward, keep on glowing the fuck up. And then the right people start fucking showing up. That's what I'm saying. Part of getting what it is that I'm talking about is getting rid of the bad people. That's why we have to ban people. Because if we let these people stay here, they would reflect poor versions of ourselves. Who knows? Maybe they even reflect a past version of ourselves that's no longer fucking us. Or who knows? Maybe they lower the frequency, they lower the vibe, they bring you lower. They take you away from not only where you want to go, but they take you away from who you are. That's why I'm saying part of getting a life that reflects who you are and reflects where you're going, right? And gets you and attracts you better people is removing people. And when you do that, there's periods where you have to go through isolation. There's periods where you're not gonna have anyone around, you know? And then you start becoming the absolute best version of yourself. And then you start carrying a weight like, wow, I became, like, literally to me, like I became the best version of myself by literally losing every fucking one and every fucking thing. In a way, that's one of the ways how I became the best version of myself. And then in isolation, I had to carry like, wow, I'm the best version of myself and successful. And then I look around and I see like nobody's around. Like even my employee, man, like my employee, like G-Roar. This motherfucker is like a direct reflection of me and things I've accomplished. The motherfucker, nobody knows who he is. Nobody knows who he is. And I'm left carrying that fucking weight. Like, damn. I'm looking at groups and I'm looking at people reflecting me, and I'm saying like, these people, they're not in my life. I look around, they're not in my fucking life. And so I did this shit all on my fucking own. And then from there, next thing, like you start, attracting more people, not just online, but in real life and stuff like that. Like there's levels to it. Everyone's on a different journey and a process to getting everything it is that they want, man. But one thing to gaining self-respect in someone's self is to literally accomplish it in a sense on their own, like seeing they did this shit like on their fucking own. And they surround themselves with the right people and helped accomplish it. But dude, when you're successful and you look around and nobody's fucking around you, like when I walk out my door, I have no one to tell to who aren't gonna look at me like I'm fucking crazy saying, did you buy the SPX calls at the Lowe's? Like, dude, the people buying SPX calls at the Lowe's, they work for me. I know them. We're spiritually connected, but they're not outside my fucking front door. Like the fuck? Like that's one thing I don't have in common with people with money printers. Like these people aren't, like, we're not in real fucking, like, dude, I look around, I'm saying, damn, this echoing fucking success everywhere, mirroring fucking success everywhere. But it's like, it's fucking me. It's just like reflections of fucking me, man. And then from there, in isolation, you grow a deep self-respect for yourself and your standards become so fucking high where you start to realize how hard it is to literally find people, within your presence, who are on your level or even where you want to fucking go in real fucking life. But within time, you attract it. I've attracted certain people, and you'll start to see it's a very small, tight circle. But I've already tracked it, man. It's fucking crazy. I was at a restaurant yesterday, and I ran into a very, very good, successful friend of mine. It's just interesting, like how that works. Like it's just literally attraction and how things are in alignment of how that happens. Like it's fucking amazing to fucking see, and I fucking love it, man. It's just a small, tight circle. I love and fucking respect that, how it works. It's like shit literally just comes in attracts to you at a certain point. But I'm telling you, man, life's just fucking different, man. Life's fucking amazing. You guys need to join the group. It's genuinely fucking amazing. Absolutely fucking love it. I will see everyone tomorrow ready to fucking print, man. I can assure you it's going to be our best month in fucking history, dude. September, all fucking me. October, me and the fucking Scream. Oh my fucking gosh, dude. We're going to go off, man. We're going to fucking go off. I'm going to show these motherfuckers what October's about. And G-War's going to be living fucking proof on literally why he has the Scream avatar. Everybody knows the Scream goes off the hardest on October. It's like, dude, at the end of the day, our group is going to make other groups look like circuses, look like clown shows, look like they got nothing. Some people are going to go out of business, and that's business. You know, we run a smart, competent business. We have high frequency people. We have the best fucking community, and that's business, you know? That's a recurring business. The point of a recurring business is so the customers don't leave. So you have to create something good enough where they're not going to fucking leave, you know? If we allow a bunch of shitheads in our business and don't ban them for being a shithead, then that means we're shit for letting them stay here. It's like, dude, if someone comes into my restaurant and starts shit, here's your food. Get the fuck out. Don't come back. Keep your money. That's how we do business. All right? If people want to switch up overnight, it's like, dude, we're set. We're set. If everyone wants to wake up and leave and switch up, you know, believe what they want, or be an actor, they're not real people. If they want to be actors and switch up on us, or if they all want to cancel us, you're more than welcome to. You know, if the whole group wants to gain up on us and leave, go ahead. We'll ban the whole group. We'll get a new group. We don't need a new group. G-War and I, look. G-War and I are powerful enough to take over the whole fucking country. All right? We don't need people. Need us. We don't need people. We do this because we're the best and we love what we do. And if we were just to do this ourselves, it wouldn't be as fun. You know, we're creating a high frequency community of a fun group that we show up and we love working with. We want to see reflections of who we are. We want to see the beauty in the struggle. We want to see the beauty on people's paths. You know, it's beautiful, man. I look at some people in here. I'm like, oh, man, I remember when I was there. And then I see their evolution. It's fucking beautiful, man. It's unlimited fucking win. It's unlimited fucking printing. You know, it's good to see. Welcome to the top. You click that link. Welcome straight to the top. First link down below in the description. No other community like it. Can't be controlled. Allows you to be yourself. Obviously, if you're a negative piece of shit, you'll get exposed. You know, that's the beauty of having a real community. It weeds out all the bullshit. And I fucking loved it, man, because we had a few people who were starting shit, and all of the smart motherfuckers, they weren't arguing with them. They were just letting all the fucking degenerates talk and just battle it out and start shit. And then I looked at the group chat for a minute and I was like, dude, what the fuck is this place? What happened to the vibe? Where'd all the positive people go? And then I realized all the smart, positive people, they weren't on the floor when all the negative shitheads were talking. So then it weeded out all the negative shitheads, and then we got rid of the negative shitheads. And I'm like, yeah, this is what comes with having the best business. When you have the best business, people come in, they try to fuck up the community, you know? Maybe something's going on with that person's life, and our community is so real where it brings out that within them, where it brings out who they really are or what they're really fucking going through. Or maybe there's fucking some bots in the fucking group. Or maybe it's another company, another Discord sending people in our company to fuck up the shit. Or maybe someone wants to start their own fucking group and take fucking members. You know? The fuck knows. All we know is, what we know is, our silence carries weight, dude. The smartest people in the group, the killers, making the most amount of money, the smart, competent people that we love. When people were starting shit in our chat, they weren't sticking up for us. They were letting all the shitheads battling it out, which weeded out more shitheads, and then we got rid of the shitheads. And then all the smart motherfuckers came out, and then it made me realize, like, dude, all the smart motherfuckers want to be around smart motherfucking people. They don't want to engage with this bullshit. It's like, dude, if you guys want to fight, have a money fight. If you guys want to fight that fucking bad, have a money fight. I was scrolling on my feed the other day. I looked at two rich motherfuckers. They were just fighting with money. They were both just throwing money at each other, seeing who's fucking richer. Like, why don't you guys fight that way? Why can't the world fight that way? That's what we're trying to do for the world. You know, I would say if you want to fight, make a bunch of money and then just have a money fight. Just throw money at each other. Why not have some fun, you know? Why does fighting always have to be violence? Why can't it be peaceful? Why can't fighting just be rich, smart people throwing money at each other? Why does it have to be violence? Why can't it just be a bunch of rich people throwing money at each other? Why can't we just handle fighting that way? Why do we have to go out and be fucking violent? It's like, dude, if the rich motherfuckers, the way they fight, they just throw money at each other. If they want to fight, not that they want to or need to, if they really want to, they just throw money at each other. They say, oh, I'm rich, and then they laugh. And then the other guy goes, no, I'm rich, and then they laugh. And then they go, oh, I'm rich, and they just throw money at each other. I was looking at that meme, and I'm like, damn, that's what's up. Like, that's how fighting should be, just people throwing fucking money at each other. The fuck? Like, get your fucking money up, man. Get your fucking bankroll up. It's unlimited fucking win, unlimited fucking print every single fucking day. So, join the group. Be smart. Don't complain. Don't whine. Don't be a bitch. Don't be negative. You know, we don't want to see someone join the group. Look, I'm gonna be very honest with you guys. I don't enjoy banning people. I really don't. That's why I'm saying, like, if you're not ready, or if you're negative, or if you're gonna crack in like a bad negative way and just take it out on everyone, like, dude, just if you can't hold your shit down, like, just, it's not for you, man. All right, like, we're smart people. We have our shit down, but dude, we don't like experiencing that. We don't like negativity in the group. We don't like having to ban people. We really don't. We do understand that, like, the group does better when the shadows get fed. It really does. But we don't enjoy experiencing negativity. That's why we kill it quick. It was interesting though. Like, we didn't kill it right away. We like let it drag for a couple minutes, and then a couple other shitheads came out, and then we're like, okay, now we see the problem. We need to see who needs to get the fuck out. And then all the smart people just let it play out. They didn't say a fucking word. They were just waiting for us to get rid of the shit. They were literally observing. They're like, dude, are they gonna get rid of the shit, or are they just gonna let this keep going on? So we just let it drag for a little bit, and then more shitheads came out, and then we just got rid of them. It's like it kind of just let it drag a little bit. It just weeded out more shitheads that just shouldn't have been in here in the fucking first place. This is what comes with this business, man. We're dealing with trading, fast money, 0 dates. Like, it's fucking get rich or fucking go broke. Like, this shit's just fucking different, man. But look, if the shit's not for you, don't join, because we don't want to have to ban you. We don't want to have to sit here and like I said, we get a couple hundred people, we have to ban a couple. In terms of September, we got a fuck ton of members, we had to ban 2. And we banned the first one on the first of the month, and then we banned the last one on the last of the month. It was very, very interesting how that cycle worked. And then, shortly enough, after we banned these 2 people, it was unlimited fucking winning, unlimited fucking printing. And we got the best trades and the best results ever. That's what happens. This is how life works. I'm being very real and honest with you. This is how life works. People might come into your life, into your community, into your restaurant, into your house, wherever the fuck you go. There's going to be people who come into your life. And if you don't remove these people, your life is going to get shit. If you let them linger, if you let them stay, your life's going to keep going down. And you might wonder, why is my life so shit? And then one day you wake up and you realize, oh, fuck, this is how life works. When something bad comes into your life and it's shit, you have to remove it from your life. You don't have to fucking take revenge on it. You don't have to do anything fucking violent. You don't have to get back at it. All you have to do is figure out how to remove yourself from that. You remove yourself from that. You detach from that. You get the fuck away from that, right? And then you carry on. And then what happens is God in the universe, it fucking rewards you. It says, oh shit, this person removed someone bad who was in their fucking life. Let's reward him with this. Let's reward him with this. Let's get him a better person. That's how life works, motherfuckers. Do you understand? I've experienced this in real life. I've experienced this in our community. That's why we say when the shadows get fed, good things happen all around. It attracts better people. The community becomes stronger because they see, oh, wait a second. This is a real group that actually stands for something. These people aren't just going to allow anyone to sit at their table and start shit with them. They're actually going to manage and run a smart, competent community who's going to fucking grow and be with them for fucking ever, right? It's a high frequency fucking community that's not for fucking everyone, man. Like I said, it's like, dude, we should literally have disclaimers for fucking cracking people. It's like, dude, I burned through people's masks. Some people try to wear masks around me. I see through them. I see through their mask. I see through all the illusions. I crack it right in front of them. I've broken masks in front of them. I've broken egos in front of them. I crack them wide open. Some people love it. Some people fucking hate it. It's like, dude, it's like I have to fucking, it's like, I think sometimes, like, damn, I really have to, should I be carrying around a fucking disclaimer that I can crack you fucking open if you come into my presence? But they walked into it. They fucking walked into it. It's like, dude, I really carry that. I carry that fucking ability to break fucking people's egos, to break fucking people's masks, And some people handle it differently. Some people like, dude, I never want to see that motherfucker again. Fuck that guy. And they think I'm the fucking bad guy. And then other people, they fucking love me for it. That's what I'm saying. Mirrors come into your life. Some people, they try to smash me. I'm the mirror. They try to smash me. They try to break the mirror. Fuck that guy. And then other people, they love it. They love the reflection. They see it through. That's what I'm saying, man. Not everyone sees it through. And that's why they're not going to make it through, because they don't see it through. Some people's just pieces of shits, man. But it's like, dude, I carry that ability. I carry that presence, man. I disrupt rooms. I disrupt rooms. I could change the whole fucking vibe of the fucking room, in the best ways. I could shift the whole fucking environment. I could crack people to the fucking, like, core, like, literally just my fucking eye contact. Eye contact is another thing. Oh my fucking gosh. Eye contact, very, very strong, very, very powerful. I can crack someone's mask just by looking at them in the fucking eyes. I don't even have to say a word. Look, it gets to a point where silence becomes so fucking powerful. You can literally achieve what you want. If you want to, I've been in situations I can get to know exactly who someone is just by being still and not saying a word. Like I'm telling you, stillness, silence, and eye contact. Those three things are very fucking powerful, dude. If you're still around people, you look people in their fucking eyes, and fucking stillness, eye contact, and silence. It literally shows you exactly who that fucking person is, man. You can tear through their fucking ego and break their fucking mask. I've done it with multiple people, dude. Literally just in the quickest interactions. I've seen through and have visions as well of exactly who these fucking people are, man. Literally, it's like, dude, all of a sudden food isn't food. It's like people don't go to restaurants for food. They're there for other fucking reasons. People don't sit in certain chairs just to be there. They sit in that specific seat for a certain reason. I'm telling you, man, this is all very, very real with environments and high fucking frequencies. I've experienced all this stuff, man. There's certain seats that were meant for certain people. And if they know that that seat's made for them and like what they can gain from that fucking seat, shit's fucking wild, man. That's what I'm saying. Like environments, seats, eye contact, silence, stillness, it's fucking life changing. I've hit a point where I can literally see through everything or like get what I want in a way, and I don't have to say a word. I could just be fucking still, have fucking eye contact, have fucking presence, and just be fucking silent and not say a word. And I could see through exactly what is going on, what's happening in the environment, see through fucking everyone, see through the fucking illusions. Shit's fucking wild, man. It's just genuine. It's fucking amazing, man. Life is fucking amazing. Be a fucking good person. Click the first link down below in the description. Join our group.